Ladies and gentlemen, we have brand new MSI Thin 15 gaming laptop with us, and we are gonna be adding this hard drive, 1 terabyte hard drive on top of its 512 gigabyte of NVMe SSD. And as you can see, I have opened it up. Even though it was in under warranty, they were asking for 350 rupees, which I was not planning to give them, so I decided to open it up because I have lost already half a million rupees in a gamble, and 60,000 rupees is nothing as compared to half a million rupees. So I decided to open it up, and there we go, ladies and gentlemen. The thermal pads looks good and the fans are not that dusty, so I decided not to clean it up. And finally, as you can see, it works, and it was very hard to open. They show that it's just 12 screw,